Hey Bessie, can you watch from my bonbon so no one takes it?
Sure.
Thanks. Now I need to go to machines now.
These bonbons sure looks delicious. Okay, what's mind if I take one, right? There are so many bonbons. Anyway, I don't think she will notice one is missing, right? Coca, hi.
Did you just take my bonbon?
No, what do you mean?
Then why is one missing?
Coca, please, I can't explain. What was that? Coca? Where did all the bonbons go? Whatever, I'll just do machines. What was that? I'll just do this machine. Huh? What's that sound?
This bonbon will sure help you out, Bessie. I'm going to turn evil now.